What's up, guys? So my name's Cameron and I'm here with my boy Eric.
What's up, guy?
Rubisco Cisco. And we got what's your name?
Your mom's a whore.
So today, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be working on the Z, the convertible Z, specifically. We're gonna be doing full control arm install. So we got these Godspeed camber arms. They have Voodoo traction and toe arms. So that is what we're gonna be doing with the Z today.
Hopefully we're gonna hit 15 today. You know, that's
Yeah,
what we're gonna try.
15 degrees of camber. 15 degrees of camber. And then on the E36, we're just removing the fender liner, preparing stuff for it to go lower, right?
My car's broken.
Right, Cisco?
Too low.
Yep, too low. We gotta remove the fender liners.
All right, Cisco. So tell us a little bit about the E36 and the suspension that you've got running on it. eBay.
Smack down on eBay, bro. It's yellow, so.
Yeah. So we got K and W's on here.
Yeah, they're KW yellows, V2s, or V14s.
And V4. So basically, I'm gonna be doing this for Miguel since he doesn't know what he's doing, and I got a G35, so it's exactly the same thing. Pretty much, we got jacked up stance GR pluses with helper springs. Well, actually, the GR plus came with helper springs. Then we got 34K. I believe these are 5-inch springs. Yes. Basically, it's just helping out. But Miguel had pretty tight fitment, so it was still rubbing a little bit, even with the 34s. But that's why helper springs aren't something you usually want to do unless you really have to. But it gets the job done realistically. So basically, today we're going to be getting rid of the toe bucket. We're going to be getting rid of the OEM. I believe this is the caster arm. And then the camber arm. Yeah, Migs, you ready? You ready? Hopefully we're gonna hit like 7 realistically. I was joking about the 15 because Miguel is too scared of that.
Alright.
But we'll be doing that on my car, so it's gonna be fun. What are you taking out right now? The toe?
Oh my
Oh!
God. Fuck you and your blown axle.
Wait, huh?
Did
Yeah.
you ever clean it?
Wait, that's new.
Oh, is it new?
You cleaned it up already? Not the new microphone.
Okay. We have like 15.
Fuck.
Wait, is it actually blown?
Yeah.
You know what you should invest in soon? GK Tech axle spacers before you get your alignment.
Fuck.
Because he's not running rear uppers, so.
God damn it.
Look at the conditions I'm working in.
Man.
Freaking blown axle boot with all this grease everywhere.
Sorry.
So basically, we're just trying to get the other bolt off right now. Big body. Where's the impact, bro?
Oh yeah, you're right.
Bro.
I get it.
Alright. I don't know why I was working harder. Oh shit. Okay.
Dusty, musty. If I didn't have COVID, I had it now.
Okay, here. Hold the ratchet.
Oh.
Alright, we got it off.
Yeah.
There we go. Even without the 2 bolts, it won't.
Yeah, friction.
Sure.
I don't know a lot about that. Hey, John, I'll use my debit card.
Shut up. Oh,
Oh.
the hub is moving.
What was that?
You gotta.
Do we have to? Do we have to do
Really, Nissan? So that's Eric's LS400. We don't talk about that.
Yeah, we don't talk about that.
It's
A work in progress.
It's gonna be crazy. Just wait on it, guys. Trust me.
Videos on that coming soon,
Yeah.
maybe.
I don't know.
Not lazy.
Wait on it though.
Is this a 14?
I don't know.
Oh,
I don't think so. It looks like it looks like a 14.
sorry, Max. Can you give me the 14? And can you give me the deep socket?
Well, he's saying sorry. You're doing this for him.
Oh yeah, you're right,
You
man.
can do.
Screw you. Give me the.
Yeah, hurry up,
14.
Migs. Hurry
Oh,
up.
yeah, come on.
Come on, freaking dog.
Come on. 14 deep?
Yeah.
Ah! I'll look for it myself.
If you want something.
Useless.
Basically, we're loosening the sway bar right now, as we said, to be able to get the bolt out of the camber arm. Easy.
Easy peasy.
So pretty much, I had these set for 9 on my alignment. Not anymore. I'm not a weak camber spec guy. Anyways, so basically, hopefully, Miggs is gonna be able to hit 7s. We might have to adjust them a little bit less, since he wants to match the fronts right now, which you have what done to it?
Did those axle spacers ever go on sale for Black Friday?
It's already Black Friday. It's gone now.
I know that.
Anyways, so what do you have for the fronts for camber wise, Miggs?
What?
What do you have done to the fronts?
What do I have?
ISR front upper control arms, and you shorten the bolt a little bit. Anyway,
That's it.
so yeah, he's around. You can't see it because he's on stockies right now, but he's around like, what did you hit on the alignment sheet?
7 flat.
7 flat, which is,
Pretty good.
huh?
I don't want any more. Yeah, I don't want any more.
We're gonna get him spindles in the future and get them shortened for about 20 degrees. I don't want any more. I'll be back when we do something else other than removing this. Or we'll see. If there's a complication, we'll come back to that.
Okay, so we removed this cast arm. On G's and Z's, a lot of people have issues with taking this cast arm off. So they'll usually cut this area right here, just so they can have, you know, a bit more clearance. But if you got the right tools, like something like this, a ratcheting wrench right here, you can just stick that in. Because usually the problem is people, they can't fit a ratchet like this in here. And something like a wrench might be, you know, too short. So something like this, swivel head, it makes it really easy, especially if it's ratcheting, you know, like that. And yeah, so we managed to take this off without cutting up the frame. You've got this little peg thing right here, so that goes in here like that. And right here we have this recess right here, and that just goes on top, and then the bolt goes in right here.
This is actually so stupid, BMW. What is wrong with you?
And that just threads in, and just like that, the camber arm, or not camber, the caster arm is installed.
Place a wrench on the back side of the bolt.
As you can see, we're pushing it out. If you look over here at the wheel, you can see we're gaining some negative camber. So, check again.
Don't be shy, max it out.
Max it out.
I'm just kidding, I'm kidding.
Okay, so it looks like there's about the same length, so that's where we're gonna lock it in. And yeah, so we're just gonna do a final toe adjustment, caster adjustment, and we'll lock it up and then work on the other side.
Alright, so we have just finished installing all the arms. Here are the old arms. Didn't record the other side because, well, it's pretty much the same as the other side. So if you could do one side, you can do the other side. And yeah, it looks like we got a pretty good amount of camber from that. Let's check the other side too. Yep, looks pretty good. Alright, we're gonna put it back on the ground.
Did they go already?
Yes, they did.
Why the
So
fuck are they so fast?
They demonetize if you keep talking like that. Oh. Baby scrapes.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
alright, so small update. We're on the way to
Local car enthusiast.
a local car enthusiast shop to buy some wheel spacers, because Miguel's tires on the Z are rubbing on his coilovers.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So we just picked up the wheel spacers. Got some thick 38 millimeters. That should be decently thick. So it's about 1.5 inches. Hopefully this helps Miguel clear his coilovers.
Yeah, right.
And yeah, so we're gonna go back to my house and install them
and hopefully we're good. Looks like we've put in the spaces on right. Hopefully it fits.
God damn, that's deep. Are you still recording?
Yeah. Bro, you're paying me for this, remember? You wanted me to record all the
What?
time.
Push it. What do you mean push it? Push it. Push the top in.
Bro, oh my god, have you never owned a stance car? Yeah, it's all like Dory, bro.
Shut up, bro. You know what we do.
What do we do behind camera?
I don't know. It's like high five each other and shit. Like hype each other up, you know.
High five me. Wallahi, bro.
He's so dumb. He's so dumb. Put that on your dashboard and prank someone.
That's a shot of the police. You're the most disabled. Bro, you have to be an ambulance, bro, because you're so disabled already.
I'm gonna buy one of those so I can pull up behind Roger.
Oh my god.
You're an asshole.
It's so fun.
All right.
I could buy
Hopefully
those
this works now.
I could buy those Minervas right now, Migs.
Minervas. Boy, you look like a Minerva.
Why, thank you. I think Minervas from Harry
Shut up. Why you look like a TE-37, bro?
I think Minervas from Harry Potter.
Hey, Migs, why you look like a rotiform, bro? Why you look like a Conce, bro? So pretty much what we did was we bought the spacers and we put them on. Did we record any of the issues?
Yeah.
We did?
Why are you talking like it's the same day, bro?
It's not the same day. We're like,
We're pretending.
it's been like 3 days.
We're pretending it's the same day.
Why are you guys wearing
Over
different?
there.
Anyways, so we got it. Basically, what we did was we put the front wheels into the back since it's a staggered setup, and now it works. That was thanks to me.
And we did like hella cutting.
Yeah, we did so much cutting, bumper trimming, and stuff like that. But it was my idea, and I'm kind of goated for that.
I'm still horny.
We can't. Shut up. Anyways, so pretty much, well, so now what do we need to do? Pretty much what we need is I'm gonna trade spacers with Miguel since I have 35 mils and he has 38 mils. So that way we can put the staggered setup. Huh?
We're not.
We're not?
No.
Well, how are you gonna fit the rears and the back again?
What are you talking about?
You just gotta get new wheels.
You're really gonna get new. You don't have any money. I thought that's what this whole issue is about.
Hair.
A pair?
Yeah.
Just save money and trade spacers.
Shut up.
You should.
So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at.
He need an amber lamb.
You need a girlfriend.
What?
You look like an ambulance.
Okay, I'm gonna here. So thank you for watching, guys. Cisco's not here right now. He went somewhere. But this concludes it for our first vlog today. Past few days.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. We're undefined. Not click. We're undefined California. Since that's actually all we do. But yeah, if you guys want to see more, we're probably not gonna make any more for a while. Until we get car parts.